Hello and welcome back to my channel, The Midlands Investor, your one-stop shop for all things investing and personal finance. Charlie Munger is a successful investor and the Vice Chairman of Berkshire Hathaway. He's widely respected for his investment wisdom and his ability to generate wealth through investing. In this video, we will discuss Charlie Munger's approach to investing and how an investor can generate their first £1 million by following his key principles. So without further ado, let's get into it. Step 1. Start early. One of Charlie Munger's key principles in investing is starting early. The earlier you start investing, the more time you have to benefit from the power of compounding. Compounding is the process of earning interest on your interest, and it can help your investments grow significantly over time. For example, if you invest £10,000 at an annual rate of 8% and reinvest your dividends, your investment will grow to over £21,000 in 10 years, over £46,000 in 20 years, and over £100,000 in 30 years' time. By starting early and allowing your investments to compound over time, you can significantly increase your chances of reaching your goal of £1 million. Step number 2. Educate yourself. Another key principle of Munger's approach to investing is to educate yourself. Investing can be complex and confusing, and it is important to have a good understanding of the basics of investing, such as asset allocation, diversification, risk management, and valuation. There are many resources available for investors, such as books, articles, blogs, podcasts, online courses, and videos such as this one on YouTube. It's important to take the time to educate yourself about investing and to stay informed about changes in the market and the economy. Step number 3. Diversify your portfolio. Munger is a strong advocate of diversification, which means investing in a variety of asset classes such as stocks, bonds, real estate and commodities. Diversification can help reduce the risk of your portfolio and help you achieve a more stable rate of return over time. It's important to create a diversified portfolio that aligns with your investment goals, risk tolerance and overall financial plan. This means choosing investments that are appropriate for your age, income and investment horizon, and avoiding investments that are too risky or too speculative. Step 4. Invest regularly. Another key principle of Charlie Munger's approach to investing is to invest regularly. This means contributing a fixed amount of money to your investment portfolio on a regular basis, such as monthly or quarterly. Regular investing can help you take advantage of dollar cost averaging, which means buying more shares when prices are low and fewer shares when prices are high. By investing regularly, you can also take advantage of compounding and help your investments grow over time. Step number 5. Be patient. Charlie Munger has often emphasized the importance of patience in investing. It's important to have a long-term perspective and to avoid making impulsive or emotional decisions. This means avoiding the temptation to sell investments during a market downturn or buy high-flying stocks during a market boom. It also means avoiding the influence of short-term market noise and staying focused on your long-term investment goals. By being patient and staying committed to your investment strategy, you can increase your chances of success and reach your financial goals. Step number 6. Seek professional advice. Whilst it's important to educate yourself about investing, it's also a good idea to seek the advice of a professional financial advisor. This can help you assess your progress, make adjustments to your investment plan, and ensure that you're on track to reach your financial goals. A financial advisor can also help you create a diversified portfolio that aligns with your investment goals, risk tolerance, and overall financial plan. They can also provide valuable insights and help you stay disciplined and focused on your long-term goals. Step 7. Stay committed. Finally, it is incredibly important to stay committed to your investment plan and to continue investing even during challenging times. Investing can be a long and bumpy road with ups and downs along the way. It's important to stay disciplined, focused and patient and to avoid the temptation to give up or abandon your investment plan. By staying committed and continuing to invest regularly, you can increase your chances of success and reach your financial goals over time. Charlie Munger's approach to investing is grounded in common sense and practical wisdom. His principles of starting early, educating yourself, diversifying your portfolio, investing regularly, being patient, seeking professional advice, and staying committed are all essential for long-term investing success. By following these principles, investors can increase their chances of generating wealth and achieving their financial goals. His approach to investing is a solid framework for investors looking to generate wealth and achieve their financial goals. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I've been the Midlands Investor. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this content, and I'll see you again next time.